Today's unboxing is on the Tomica Premium, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, Lunar Cruiser, and also the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force Heavy Wheel Recovery Vehicle for Long Tomica. The Lunar Cruiser is a collaboration between JAXA and Toyota with an aim to launch the cruiser onto the moon by 2030. It's a fully automated cruiser as well as able to be manned by 2 astronauts. And the scale of 1:110 is massive. The Toyota logo is clearly on the front, satellite dish and also the solar panel. JAXA and Toyota logo prominently displayed on the side together with the Japanese flag. The wheel set is unique in a combination of silver and grey and rolls extremely fast. I'm not very sure what is this, including the compartment for the rear, with this as well. The second of such aerospace release by Tomica Premium. Very first one was the Hayabusa satellite years ago. Although this Lunar Cruiser is a sore thumb for the Tomica Premium range, it's a very nice assortment to add into my collection. Next, the Long Tomica JGSDF Heavy Wheel Recovery Vehicle. 50th anniversary label for one last time. The bio on the recovery vehicle in Japanese. It's a very solid and heavy casting in olive drab. Apart from the wheel set in black, it's a dual tone casting. I like all the small details and accessories that's been fixated onto this casting in 1:89. And now for the functional parts. Very impressive, it acts as a crane with a retractable arm. You are able to swing the tow hook. It's also able to rotate 360 degrees. A typical recovery vehicle. The sort of a ram of the catch are able to pull down. The recovery vehicle is an awesome casting. What I'm really impressed are the functional parts. Tomica has released quite a few impressive Long Tomica this year, and it's a very unique release, along with the Tomica Premium Lunar Cruiser. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!